Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. This video is all about mastering the Fractal Indicator Trading Strategy. The Fractal Indicator is actually a nice tool to spot market reversals, breakout points, and trend continuations. So if you are looking to sharpen your technical analysis skills and enhance your trading setups, then you are in the right place, okay? Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth trading strategies and market analysis. Now, what is the fractal indicator? Let me just add the indicator to the chart. This is the fractals indicator, okay? It's developed by the legendary trader Bill Williams. And this indicator helps to identify turning points in price action, by highlighting short-term highs and lows. Now, the fractal indicator is based on a simple 5-bar pattern that pinpoints potential support and resistance zones on your chart. Here's how it works. A bullish fractal forms when a bar is preceded and followed by 2 bars with lower highs signaling a potential upward reversal. Okay, while a bearish fractal forms when a bar is flanked by 2 bars with higher lows, lower highs, indicating a possible downward reversal. A bullish fractal, it seems like I think I made a mistake in my explanation. A bullish fractal, a bullish fractal representing or rather signifying a potential bullish reversal. Where it forms is, it's flanked by 2 bars with higher lows, right? Higher lows on both sides, indicating a potential upward reversal, while bearish fractal is flanked by 2 bars with lower highs on both sides, okay, indicating a possible downward reversal. Now, these fractals provide key insights into market behavior by marking areas where price action might reverse. This makes it easier to identify breakout zones and trend continuations, making your trading decisions more precise. Now, let us break down the essential components of the fractal indicator trading strategy. First of all, identification of reversals. The indicator highlights potential reversal points by marking fractals, okay? These points often coincide with significant support and resistance levels on the chart. All right, often coincides with significant support and resistance levels on the chart. Now, talking about breakout zones, when the price approaches a fractal level, it may indicate that the market is about to break out. This is where traders often look for momentum shifts that confirm the start of a new trend. Now, with respect to trend continuation, fractals can also help confirm that an existing trend is likely to continue. All right. For example, if fractals appear as support, you can see here and here acted as support in an uptrend, it reinforces the strength of that move. Then, with respect to time frame versatility, the beauty of this strategy is that it works across all time frames. Whether you are trading on a 5-minute chart or analyzing daily price action, the fractal indicator trading strategy adapts to various market conditions. So now that we understand what the fractal indicator is and its key components, let us talk about how to use this strategy for trading. The first step is setting up the indicator. Obviously, you have to add the fractal indicator to your chart. Most trading platforms offer it as a standard tool. Once it is on your chart, the indicator will automatically plot fractal highs and lows. Then the next step is to identify key areas. Just look for clusters of fractals. You can see the fractals are going to be automatically plotted on your chart. So, look for fractals of, clusters of fractals that form near support and resistance zones, significant zones, okay? For example, if a series of bullish fractals near a support zone, a series of bullish fractals near a support zone could signal that the oversold condition is ending, all right? And an upward move might be on the horizon, okay? Now, when you see a confirmed signal, let's say you get a bullish fractal forming at the support level with confirmation from maybe a moving average crossover or any other indicator that you are using to confirm signals, that's your cue to get in. All right. So for example, here we can see that we had price trading above the 200 EMA and crossed above the 50 EMA, and you can see that the fractals appeared around the support level. So that was a good time to enter a buy. Then as the trade develops, just keep an eye on new fractals forming. They can provide insight into whether the trend is continuing or if a reversal might be imminent. Adjust your stop loss and targets, your stops and targets based on these signals to stay aligned with market momentum. All right. Now, let us quickly look at common pitfalls to avoid before we round up. Do not over rely on fractals alone. Okay, while fractals provide clear signals, they work best when used in combination with other indicators. And also, do not force patterns. Not every market movement will form perfect fractals. Avoid forcing a trade setup if the chart conditions are unclear. And finally, do not ignore the overall trend. Okay, always consider the broader market trend because fractals can signal a reversal, but if the overall trend is strong, it might be best to wait for additional confirmation before entering a trade. So in summary, the fractal indicator trading strategy is a versatile and effective strategy for identifying key turning points in the market. It provides clear visual representation of potential reversals, breakout points, and trend continuations. Whether you're trading Forex, stocks, or crypto, incorporating fractals into your analysis can significantly enhance your ability to read the market. Remember these final tips. Always combine fractals signals with other technical tools for greater accuracy. Use proper risk management techniques by setting stop loss orders at strategic levels and practice identifying fractals on different time frames to become comfortable with spotting these key levels. Now, if you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert trading strategies, technical analysis, and market insights. Let us keep growing and learning together. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your input helps to shape future videos. Thank you for watching and happy trading.